Hello, welcome to this video tutorial. This will show you how to use QuTScloud SAS pass-through on VMware. This is a QuTScloud deployed on VMware. As a virtual NAS, QuTScloud uses virtual hard drives. This is the VMware that runs the QuTScloud. It has set a SAS expansion card and connected to SAS pod storage enclosures. Its pass-through status is disable. We need to unbind it before attaching to the QuTScloud. It will show some error message after click toggle pass-through button. Go to the error detail. It says the configuration will be applied after reboot. Back to the host page and reboot the VMware. After the VMware rebooted, the pass-through status has been active. Go to the virtual machine page and edit the QuTScloud. Click Add another device and select PCI device. Save the changes and power on the QuTScloud. Log into the QuTScloud after it has booted up. You can find the SAS pod storage enclosures has been attached to QuTScloud now. Please subscribe to our channel to get more information about QNAP products. Thank you for watching.